What's wiggling Warenoticers? It's your boy, Mr. CEO, Big Daddy Shane Mumma of this beautiful, awesome, fantastic technology YouTube channel that is Warenotice. And guys, today in this Warenotice video, we're going to be unboxing these bad boys right here. These are the Beats Solo 3 wireless headphones, but not just any ordinary, boring, old version of these bad boys. This is the Mickey Mouse 90th Anniversary Edition. So that's pretty crazy that Mickey Mouse is already 90 years old. I mean, he's a pretty old dude, and it's even crazier that he is now on his very own Beats headphones. So without further ado, let's get to unboxing these bad boys. Warenotice on the baddest beat. Met a lot of people, but still don't know defeat. Running for the White House, but I am no athlete. Got Jordans on my feet and haters in retreat. Wait, I am the CEO. Competition robotic, call him C3PO. So now folks, here we are, up close and personal with the box for the Beats Solo 3 Wireless Mickey's 90th Anniversary Edition. And as you can see right here, here's a picture of the headphones. There is Mickey Mouse standing right there, right over the ear cup, and there he is again, and there he is again. There's a lot of Mickey Mouses, as you'll soon be able to see. And also, if you come over here to the other side of the box, you'll see Mickey Mouse himself, Mickey's 90th Anniversary Edition, Beats logo next to Disney logo, very cool collaboration we got going on right here in front of us. Now if we come over to the back of the box, you can see some stuff that comes with it. Apparently you get a cool special 90th Anniversary pin. That's going to look pretty cool right here on my jacket for this video once we get that out of the box. And you also get this cool special Mickey Mouse sort of carrying case right there. It's got Mickey's ears right there and the Disney logo right next to the Beats logo right there, if you can pick that up. And yeah, now over here it talks again about Mickey's 90th anniversary. I mean, come on. Can you guys get over how old Mickey Mouse is? It's crazy. And yeah, so now let's see what it says right here. It's got a quote. I cannot think of the pictorial story without thinking about the complimentary music which will fulfill it. And that is a Walt Disney quote right there. Pretty cool, guys. So without further ado, let's get to getting this bad boy right out of the box. So if we come right here, we can just peel the shrink wrap off right here. Get the box nice and naked. Shrink wrap is something that is sometimes super annoying to get off of boxes. Apple usually makes it easy with their boxes. It usually has a nice peel tab, but for this one, we had to break it. So here we go. Now it is nice and off right there. So now we can just come over here and slide this outer shell off the box, and Mickey's 90th Anniversary Edition, it says it again, because these are pretty special Beats, my friend. Pretty special indeed, especially if you're a Mickey Mouse fan. You'll probably like these. So here we go. We can just take the top off of the box within a box, and right there, music makes it magic. And look how cool this pin looks. Look how cute this is. Oh, this is actually very nice looking. Woo-hoo-hoo! Check out that pin right there. Can I get a close up? Come on, check it out. Look, it feels very nice, very substantial in the hand. It's got that 90 right there. It's got a Mickey Mouse, Beats logo, and Disney logo. Pretty cool, I have to say. Now, without further ado, let's get back to the rest of the unboxing. So right here, if we peek under here, we've got that special carrying case right here. Look at this bad boy. It's soft feeling, wow. Not a hard shell case, this is a soft shell. Definitely, ooh, very soft. And now, look right here, we've got the headphones poking out right here. Look at them. So first impressions, they do feel smaller than the Beats Studio 3 Wireless, because these are the Solo 3 Wireless, different line of headphones. I just unboxed those, as you guys already saw, the DJ Khaled version. And yeah, but these bad boys though, they definitely have a lot of Mickey Mouse. Look at all these Mickey Mice on here. So let's actually count how many Mickey Mice we see. So we see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 Mickey Mice. That's crazy. Or should I say Mickey Mouses? I don't know which is the correct pronunciation, but let's try these bad boys on. So, well, let's see. Is there a specific side that goes on one ear? I don't know. Let's just put them on. Ooh. Do I look like a Mickey Mouse or what? So, yeah, another first impression is these guys don't cover the entire ear. They just rest on top of your ear. So that's definitely one thing to keep in mind. I actually think I might have them on backwards. It's kind of hard to tell. I don't see a left or right. Maybe I'm missing it. Oh, yep, I did have them on backwards. There's a little L right there, and there should be a little R right there, hiding from you guys. I'm sorry about that. Yeah, that feels better. That feels better. So, yeah. How do I look? On a scale from 1 to Big Daddy Shane, how do I look? Pretty cool, right? Anyway, let's get a closer look at these guys before we get to trying them out for you guys. So right down here, we've got a headphone jack. If you want to use these bad boys in a wired manner, plug them into your device instead of using them wirelessly. These are, of course, as stated on the box, wireless headphones though. So I'm definitely going to be using them in a wireless manner because I prefer wireless. Come on, guys. If you spend $330, that's how much these bad boys will set you back, by the way, you're going to want to use them wirelessly. At least I will. So, yeah, and then also down here, we've got a micro USB port. So, obligatory tech YouTuber sad face because it's not USB-C. Come on, Beats, you got to put some USB-C on your headphones. The DJ Khaled Beats Studio 3 Wireless also had micro USB, so that's disappointing. Yeah. Where'd the USB-C at? Come on, even the iPad Pro has USB-C now. What's going on here? And yeah, we've got the power button right here. And then also on this side of the headphones, we've got the different playback buttons. You can press up, press down to change the volume, move it up, move it down. And then you can also press the Beats logo right here to pause or play your music. Just letting you guys know all that. We've also got some battery indicator lights right here if you're curious what the battery's at. So see, we just pushed down the power button right there. And now these bad boys are turning on. So I'll just put them on my head and we can finish up this unboxing and get to using them. So what else is in the box? If we come over here, just open this up, and yeah, so here we've got the paperwork. I know this because the Beat Studio 3 Wireless that I already unboxed, very similar packaging, very similar. They are headphones by the same brand, so it does make sense. And yeah, as you can see, I was right in here. We've got a bunch of different paperwork. Do we have the Beat sticker? Ooh, instead of the Beat sticker, we have the 90th anniversary Mickey Mouse sticker. Pretty cool, pretty cool. And yeah, we can just put this to the side for now. Right here, we've got a carabiner for the carrying case right there. And we've also got, what is this? Ooh, is this the micro USB to USB charging cable? Yes, it is. Once again, should have been USB-C. Why is it micro USB? But yeah, come on, come on. Anyway, lastly, we got one last cable in there. This bad boy, ooh, interesting, it's gray. For the DJ Khaled, this was black. This bad boy, this is the headphone jack cable, the stereo cable, whatever you want to call it. You can plug one end into these bad boys, one end into your device to listen with a wired connection. Once again, something that I don't want to do, but it is an option if you're that type of person. So, yeah, box is empty. Let's get to using these bad boys. So, folks, now I have the Beat Solo 3 Wireless Mickey Mouse 90th Anniversary Edition, all connected to my iPhone XS Max. So, without further ado, let's start listening to them. I've got some Taylor Swift right here. Let's sing along. Once upon a time, a few mistakes ago, I was in your sights. You got me alone. You found me. You found me. You found me. Ooh. So I guess with that, folks, we've confirmed that you can sing along to Taylor Swift with these headphones. And yeah, they definitely don't sound bad too far. I'm definitely going to need more time with them to get a full idea of how they sound. First impression though, they're definitely not as comfortable, at least for me, as traditional over-ear headphones. Once again, these are just on-ear. So for example, I definitely think the Bose QC35-2 are probably like the most comfortable headphones that I've had, but also the Beat Studio 3 Wireless that I just unboxed, those DJ Khaled versions, those were definitely more comfortable than these as well. But yeah, so if you want to learn more about these headphones, definitely stay tuned for my full review. And so you don't miss that, you're definitely going to want to smash the subscribe button and subscribe to the Warenotice Technology YouTube channel for more awesome technology videos just like that one. So, folks, thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for subscribing. Warenotice out with the Beat Solo 3 Wireless Mickey Mouse 90th Anniversary Edition headphones, as well as the cute little pin right here on my jacket. Ooh!